Robotics is a tech company aiming to empower the robotics community as well as to make robotics accessible to everyone in the modern world. Our educational and social networking platform, Robocity, revolutionizes the way robotics is taught by making it easy for all people to learn how to make robots.
PIO extension board, the battery that we'll be using, then we have an external power supply. The Mars rover is only operated by this main control board. Your laptops inside, they also have a bigger control board.
We are building the most innovative and creative community of influential technology pioneers.
Do you have a question? Wait.
Our online, engaging and task-based educational material is specially designed for students ages 12 to 18 years old within schools, as well as individual users up to 25 years old who want to take the courses remotely. This way, beginner to advanced users can gain knowledge about how to assemble and program robots that can be used in real-life situations. Cooperating within teams and competing against each other for every course's special challenge, our users can learn about robotics in a fun and interactive way. To further develop their skills, they can post their robotic videos under their profiles, connect with other users, form teams and join competitions. Learning from experts in the field and peers in other educational institutions has never been that easy and enjoyable. Robots are not just for sci-fi movies anymore, they are all around us and can make our lives easier and so much more fun. Join Popular Robotics mission to help the younger generation adapt to this new era. Come closer to the robotics of all kinds and share the experiences with others, making geeky the new cool.